Alright guys, welcome to Bod's Backyard Fabrication. So ngayon, I just want to share, simple tips in making use of a I don't know what you call this one. It's ziplock or tie lock or whatsoever. So if we accidentally you know inserted this other side to the hole, so that means basically it cannot be used again. Hindi na pwedeng hinto, pero nagawa natin to ng paraan para we don't need to destroy, because sometimes all you can do is just cut this one here, then pull this other side so that you can use the remaining length of this one. But here, oops, I'm gonna show you how to remove this one, to take this out without damaging it. Okay, so anything will do. If you have a pin, a needle, or a cutter, but just be careful using the cutter because it's very sharp, or anything, flat and a bit pointed and thin. Okay, depending on the kind of ziplock, or I don't know what is this, that you will remove. So this one is a big one, so this one is not so thin, but you can use this one. Okay, so now let's take this out, let's free it. Okay, so this is how you do it. You see that's the teeth, that's holding this one to go out. It's the one stopping you from setting it free. So what you're gonna do is, first you let it open a bit. You can make it open by, for example, see, you pull it, you seem to tie it. Okay, Tagalogin natin, nahihirapan ako. So yan, parang actionin yung bunutin, higpitan. Ayan, nakanganga ng konti, ng bahagya. Okay, pag nakaangan ng konti, pasok nyo itong needle or cutter, insert nyo dito. Okay, and since naka-open yan, you can push it through. Okay, twist and twist, and then slowly pull. See that? See? And then it's free, and you can still use it. Okay, yeah, let's do it. There, basically hindi mo na magagamit yan, but if you do this, you can use it again. Insert. There, pasok na siya. Slowly. That is free! Alright, I hope this helps. Sayang naman, no? Pagpuputulin lang natin or itatapon. So, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Bod's Backyard Fabrication. Alright guys, have a safe one. Bye!